We're Hayley and Jake. This is Finnley, and this is our van that we'll be calling home for the next year.
We packed up our lives in Canada to spend a year traveling from Vancouver to Mexico. We've been working towards this for a long time, and we're really excited to be starting our next big adventure.
We're finally ready to head south. Let's go.
Hi everyone, if you don't know our faces, I am Hayley, this is Jacob, and over the past year and a half we have been building this camper van into our tiny home on wheels with the ultimate goal of leaving on this grand road trip of driving from Vancouver, Canada all the way to the Yucatan Peninsula. The day is finally here where we are setting off on our trip and we are so excited.
We're really excited for our trip, but we know it won't be without its challenges. We're going to be driving all the way down from Vancouver to Cancun. There's going to be a lot of different roads to cover, a lot of different road conditions. There's going to be a lot of route planning, living in a small space together, and for a large part of it, we're not going to speak the main language of the place we're in. So we're really excited, but we're a little nervous to take on all that as well.
So we just packed up the van this morning and left on our road trip, and we are heading towards the Canada-US border to cross into Washington, and then we will drive to just north of Seattle, and that will be day one. We're very excited. So we're about 10 minutes away from the border right now. So we just crossed the border into Washington, so welcome to Washington.
Border crossing was fairly standard. We've come this way quite a few times. Asking the usual questions, checking the van, and then on your way. Welcome to the States.
So we've made it to our final destination for the day. We are staying at a Boondockers welcome spot just outside of Seattle.
Thanks for watching. We're really excited that our trip has finally started. If you want to see more as we drive from Vancouver down to Mexico, follow along. Tomorrow we are going to be exploring Seattle and then head south through Washington, Oregon, and California. So we'll see you there.
Good night.
Bye.